to use the microwave, Tish.
Hey. It's your first time baking.
Coming.
I forgot she got here.
Hold up. Let him.
Tisha, you had one job, bro.
I'm blind.
We lost the whole egg now.
I can't see.
Where's your phone?
My phone.
Yeah.
I can't see.
Oh. Valid points.
Who's playing music?
I am. Oh, I'm not supposed to be speaking, right?
Oh, this one's gonna
More.
make us lose. I can hear Susie's music from here. Is he dancing? Am I the only one who can speak?
Me no hablo, me no hear me. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. Ayo, what up, lady? Nah. 3, 2, 1. Ayo, what up?
What is
3,
it?
2,
Because we don't know what to do.
Ayo, what up, Kapuga family? It is your boy, Sivu, back with another video. Nah, we're not back with another video. Do you guys know what we're back with? We back with another banger! Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen, and today I'm with
Tisha,
And I'm Jennifer.
Yes, sir. What's your guys' YouTube page?
Jenny, and Tish.
Yes, sir. So, guys, yeah, right there. Go follow them and subscribe. Yes, sir. So today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be baking. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the ingredients, but we baking with a twist. So today's video, one of us is gonna be blindfolded. Her. I am gonna be deaf. Me no hear. Her. Tell me. Exactly! She can't speak, that's the point. So hey, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's hop into the video and hey, make sure you like and subscribe, Gangy, because we're dropping bangers every single Sunday. Welcome to episode 4 of Let 'Em Cook. Go.
I feel like I'm supposed to next because I can't see anything. Like that's the only thing I can do.
Is she, what is she? I can't, me no hear, bro. Okay, first ingredients, let's get eggs. I'd like you to crack them for us, Jenny.
Jenny's on the
Oh
other
no,
side.
that's not Jenny. Yo, gangy, real quick, I just want to say sorry about the flares. You know, you see all these light lines y'all keep seeing? My bad about that. But then again, I'm not really sorry because I feel like it adds to the whole aspect of the Kupuga family. Because Kupuga means growth, and in order to grow, you need to go through these mistakes and, you know, things like that. So hey, when the show is now touching 1 million views an episode, it's gonna be like, damn. I remember when Sivu couldn't even shoot nice. Okay, anyway, let's go back to it. Ooh, also, wait, it does get better though, you know. Just give it a little bit. Okay, cool. Bro, I can't hear a shot. Okay, guys, yo, eggs. First things first, what do we start with? The bacon. Tell us, what do we start with?
You're supposed to mix wet ingredients on their own and dry ingredients on their own.
I did not hear anything she
Jennifer,
said.
you're the
What
one
are
in
you
here.
saying? You do something. Tell her, give us direction. Tell her what to do.
Who's giving me this?
Where do we put this?
What is that? Sibu. Are these eggs fine? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Did she say thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's next?
Milk.
Milk.
Yeah, you
Wait,
put the milk.
wait, I don't know how much
Yeah,
milk
put
we're
the
supposed
milk.
to put in.
Wait, what? I don't know how.
Yeah? More milk. This milk is small. Right.
You'll use this much milk. I will. No.
Jenny? What's next? What?
What are you getting me? I should speak to her. Oh, Wiz, come. Yeah.
Guys, I don't trust these two.
What? I need to get a song. Oh, go harder.
Really, nigga?
Harder. Please play a song for me. Play Tesla.
Where's the phone?
Nah, I want the blind one to do it.
Where's
Oh
the
yeah,
phone?
she's lost. Here. Nah, it's right there. It's right there. It's in front of you. Like if you go a few steps ahead, you'll find it right there. Play.
This is water.
Yeah. Nah, we lied. The phone was a chair. Ha! Fully. Okay. So we need more. Ah, bro, blind. Ah.
Sorry, I joined the family.
I'm like you now. Ah. Yeah, please mix.
Guys, that's because he was throwing
I
shade.
need you to mix.
Who?
Just do the. Go.
The flower.
Oh,
Did you steal the flower?
I'm still trying to fix my eye. So guys, as you can see, my eye is blind.
He joined the blind family.
Geek.
Zico, you're supposed to be giving us directions.
I don't know why she's speaking to me like I can hear her dog.
Oh my goodness. Jennifer.
Ta-da!
Oh, child.
I should tell her to help you.
How am I supposed to help her? She's like all the way there.
Me no come here. What did he say, dog? The bowl is good. She must mix.
Bruh.
Oh, bro. Golly.
Guys, what are we doing?
More? Nah, we don't. Me don't need no more.
I agree.
You could. Please add sugar for us, ma'am.
Who me?
No! I'm so blind. How did I end up blind and deaf?
Oh, is this fine?
Show them. Oh no, we're making guinas today. Wow. Okay, wait, stop. Let's switch.
Let's
Now
switch.
someone else is blind.
Can someone take
Someone
this
else
off
can't see. I mean, that's the same thing as blind. And here, and yeah, the rest. Yo, okay, where's the pink thing that was with the sugar?
me? Yeah. What?
Yeah, please put butter in there.
Okay.
What should I do?
Butter.
Bring what? Oh, yeah. Okay, you should relax.
Oh,
Is that enough? I feel like we need more.
more what?
More.
More what?
Put this in the microwave.
This thing's off.
Oh, it's not on. It's not on.
What's that on my back, bro? Bro, is that? Oh, no way. Is this the batter? The batter.
You don't know how to use the microwave, Tish. Tish.
But,
Taste the batter. The mix.
oh. Okay, one last time. It didn't taste mad though. I tasted sugar.
Is it good? Is it good?
It is.
Boiling. It's literally boiling.
If you're feeling something hot.
What do I do? Do I put inside?
Mm.
Just
I just saw.
It's hot.
Oh really? Who would have thought?
Slower. Yeah.
Slow enough.
No. Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, is it your first time baking?
Coming.
I forgot she got here.
What's happening? The phone. This is actually quite good. It's looking good.
It's doing good.
Yeah, it's looking good. No?
No?
What's wrong? We need more butter. More butter.
No.
More flour.
We can't have more.
More what? Sugar. Water.
What do we need,
Oh,
bro?
in
In
you-
the oven.
You come here.
Okay. Okay.
Pour the batter in.
There.
Yeah. The tray. Careful now.
Oh. Okay.
That's the first one. Slowly. Just pour. Okay. Oh. Pour. Keep on pouring.
Where? Daddy, please get a close up on this.
Oh my god.
Is Daddy still here? Oh, okay.
Looking. Pour. No, more. Yeah. Just okay. That side.
Hey, teamwork.
I feel like we need more. Do we
More
need
what?
more?
You handle this. High five. Nice. High five.
I feel like we need more here.
More what?
What?
More what? More what?
Big.
More big what? Yo. Hey yo.
Oh, we're putting it in the oven.
Is it
Oven.
fully?
Put it in the oven. But we need more here. Yeah, we need more, right? I feel like we need more.
Wait, what? What? Need more what?
Yeah, we're making muffins, right?
What do we need more of? More what?
More, yeah.
Yo. Okay.
What?
What's this? This is a tray. Okay. Am I good? Should I? Are all the holes full? Are all the holes full?
I still think we need more.
Where's the camera? Yeah, kind of.
This was a bad idea.
This was a very amazing idea.
A
I feel like we
bad-
did a good thing. What do you guys? Okay. Yeah. Oh. Hey yo, Jen. Oh, there you go.
Oh, okay, it's fine.
We did good. Why is there batter on your hair, dog? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, see you guys when we come back for more baking.
Can I talk now?
Yeah. Everyone can talk now, but just like.
Muffins rise.
Yes.
Don't fill
I
up
got
the
what you
whole
were saying,
thing.
yeah.
They rise. You put it in half.
Oh.
Wait, is
I'm
there
even
baking
showing
powder
you.
here?
I don't
No,
even know
I
what
was
to
showing
tell,
you
but
the
yeah.
muffin. But it rises.
I still can't see.
Oh.
Still blind. Oh. Huh?
You're baking. You don't know that.
Ha!
For
No!
someone who's baked.
No, I know that. I couldn't see shit. Why acting like I
You
could
don't
tell
speak,
her?
You're supposed to be like.
I can't speak. I'm
Quiet.
dead.
Say something.
I told you to stop. And you're like,
Sign
no,
languages.
more. I'm
Sign
like,
languages.
Bro, how did this happen? How did
you
this happen?
did this when you put the butter, and she put all the butter after I told her to put it
No,
slow.
you were spinning everywhere. This
Bro,
is your
do you
fault.
see it?
This is your
Do you
fault.
get who?
You.
I don't think we can blame the blind person.
Oh, I think
We
we
can.
can not blind person.
No,
This time we
teammates.
Look at you.
You're supposed to be like,
Oh, you got a smiley face on your bag. Please show everyone. Got a knife. Oh, it's gone.
yeah, because I smudged it.
Yeah, he had a smiley face.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, see y'all.
Yeah.
Hope these taste good though.
A few inches later.
Alright, gang.
No.
Muffins are ready.
Alright.
We're proud of our work.
Which I'm proud of this one. I don't know. I know you like the small ones.
I like this one.
I like the big
I
ones.
think it's because I usually ice my muffins.
Non-stick.
I told you
Non-stick.
guys.
He said it's non-stick.
Oh, I
It's
thought.
non-stick, but Benno was lying. I told you guys.
Okay, gang. Anyway, it's time to taste test the muffins. Yo, these things are hot.
I want like a corner.
Nah, but the bottom is as though. Why would you taste the
I
bottom?
like it's
Yeah.
good, like it's proper.
Okay, first taste test.
It's sweet. These are actually good.
Yeah, these are good. We did a good job.
Ask that one in the middle. What did she say?
Nah, taste the taste.
I feel like this is
They smell like eggs.
No.
In my mouth.
Are you geeking?
I feel like these are proper.
Nah, she's geeking. Manzi, come
And
taste.
they're salty.
She's the only one. Where did the sauce come from?
The butter. It's the butter. It's this butter.
Don't trust her opinion.
Yeah. These are good. I'm enjoying these.
These are actually
Be
good.
honest. Please.
I would
be
sell
honest.
these. Go down to the dope. That's what I'm saying.
Eggs. They do smell like eggs.
He's a chef.
They're fine.
I trust the chef's opinion. Thank you. Out of 10?
I just think you used my baking.
6.
6. You?
7.5.
Okay. 6.9. So basically, average is 7, bro. So 7 out of 10. That's a good thing. Me personally, especially because you were blind, deaf, and all of that. These came out banger. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, see you guys next week. Episode 5 of Let 'Em Cook. Follow the ladies. Go subscribe to their channel over there. You want to say anything?
Yeah, subscribe.
It was a great video.
Just subscribe.
Enjoy the video?
Yeah, I did. I had fun.
Just go.
See
Anyway,
who's a bully.
see what's the singing then, man. Singing then. Hi, though. Okay, yeah. Anyway, guys. Love you guys. Oh, don't forget. I love you guys. God loves y'all. Peace.